Alright, so I'm out here in the Siskiyou Mountains of southwest Oregon. Been deer hunting. I live out here. Every time I've gone out, I've seen deer, both morning and evening hunts. My buddy from out of state came to go hunting, and I set him up on one side of this ridge that I'm standing on, and I'm on the other side, so we're looking down both sides. And I start hearing this like low-pitched noise coming from the mountain, the tree line up on the top. It's like a whoomph, 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 like that. And I'm like, what the heck is that? So then I text my buddy. I'm go, WTF is that? And he texted me back and said, I was about ready to ask you the same thing. And it's coming from his side of the ridge. He's 31, and I'm over on the far side, and I'm 58 and got a hearing aid. So he heard it a lot better, and he heard a couple of whoomps in there, too, he said. And then my cell phone quit working. And I can see the cell tower right now. It's like 2-3 miles away as a crow flies. I got full signal. I got a strong battery. It's in the morning. And it was saying no SIM card detected. So nothing worked. I couldn't text him. I couldn't access any internet or anything. And we didn't see or hear a dang thing. Not a squirrel, not a bird or anything. So we finally packed up and left, hiked home. And then my phone started working. And it's a newer phone. I haven't had any trouble with it. I've been out hunting in the rain and everything in it. No trouble. And then we came out for the evening hunt. And we started hearing the same damn noise. Whoomph. Woof, and didn't see nothing, not a bird, not a squirrel or anything. And I've called moose in Alaska. I've hunted elk. I know what all those critters sound like, and I have no idea what was making this noise. And this first time and the last time, my phone's acted up like that. So that was a short form video. I'm going to do a long form to kind of explain how it ties in with a lot of other events around here. And anyway, he ended up leaving at 2:30 in the morning and heading back out of state because he just was getting it seemed like there was something outside my window watching him. So anyway, I'll switch over to a long format video.